Has the Apollo 14 mission been depicted in any movies or documentaries? If you are curious about whether the Apollo 14 mission has made its way into movies or documentaries, you are in for a treat. The Apollo 14 mission, which took place in 1971, is a significant part of the history of space exploration. It was one of NASA's key missions during the Apollo program, following the historic Apollo 11 landing. Yes, the Apollo 14 mission has been depicted in several documentaries and films that capture the excitement of the 1960s space race and early 1970s lunar exploration. One notable documentary is titled Apollo 14, Mission to Framaro. This film includes archival footage starting from Alan Shepard's historic Freedom 7 flight in 1961 through to the Apollo 14 mission. It highlights key moments like the Saturn V rocket launch and the astronauts' activities on the moon's surface. In this documentary, viewers can see the lunar module's descent and landing, along with the astronauts planting the American flag and deploying scientific instruments. It also shows the lunar module lifting off and the crew's return to Earth. This film provides a visual record of the mission's major events, making it a great watch for anyone interested in space history. Another detailed portrayal exists in a full-length documentary available on platforms like YouTube. This documentary uses historical narration, onboard audio, and remastered footage to guide viewers through the mission day by day, from launch to splashdown. It emphasizes the challenges faced during docking and the precision landing in the Framaro region. The scientific experiments conducted on the moon, such as deploying a reflector still used to measure the distance between Earth and the moon, are also featured. While Apollo 14 may not be as frequently dramatized in major Hollywood films as Apollo 11, it is included in broader documentaries about the Apollo program and the space race era. For example, series like From the Earth to the Moon and Apollo Missions to the Moon include segments or references to Apollo 14 within the context of NASA's lunar exploration efforts. These documentaries serve as a vivid reminder of the era's excitement and technological achievements. They capture the determination and ingenuity of the astronauts and engineers who continued the mission of landing humans on the moon after the first historic touchdown in 1969. The Apollo 14 mission, with Alan Shepard's return to space after his pioneering 1961 flight, symbolizes the continuity and progress of America's space exploration dreams during that transformative decade. While Apollo 14 has not been the central focus of many feature films, it has been well documented in several respected documentaries that preserve the mission's story and its place in the legacy of 1960s and early 1970s space exploration. These works provide a detailed and authentic portrayal that aligns perfectly with the nostalgic view of that remarkable period in history.